Good morning, everyone. This is Project 8 for Vibration Sensor. Our group name is Quadratic Bump, and the group members are Abogado John Paul, Baskugin James Robert, and Soldan Adrian. Here is the diagram for vibration sensor. And here is the list of materials used in the vibration sensor project. Prototype shield, jumper cables, LED LED, resistor, and tilt switch sensor.
So for the source code is you have here the int vibration pin for pinning number 7, int LED pin for 13, and for the void setup we have the input and output of vibration and LED pin. Then we put here the void loop in val is equal to digital read for the pinning, val is equal to 1, digital write LED pin high for 1 seconds, then digital LED pin off low if in 1 seconds, else if digital LED pin is low. Next. So
Yung vibration detected tapos pakita mo sir
that's how it works.
ano sir
Every
pakita mo
detect every time na i-detect vibration, it will light up red.
tapos pakita mo na ano na pag ginalaw niya yan galawin po ayan nakatitig na asa mo ba ganun pakita mo sir
And I think that's the result of our project. Next slide. Then reference and credits for is begin kit for Arduino tutorial. Then GIMP, GNU manipulation image program, snipping tool, CapCut, video editing, AMD software, Adrenaline Edition, graphic card driver software used for video recording. Next slide. And thank you for watching for our project.